White noise is a soothing sound that encompasses all audible frequencies evenly, creating a sense of calmness. This type of sound can be generated by various sources such as fans, air purifiers, or specialized white noise machines. By incorporating white noise into your environment, you can establish a serene atmosphere ideal for enhancing focus, promoting relaxation, or eliminating distractions. Utilizing a white noise machine or downloading an app can bring about these benefits effortlessly. Close your eyes, take deep breaths, and allow the gentle hum to lull you into a state of tranquility. Feel your tension dissipate as your mind begins to unwind and drift towards a place of peace. Embrace the comforting sound of white noise as it leads you towards deep relaxation. Surrender yourself to its calming effects and let go of any negativity weighing you down. Take this opportunity to unwind and reinvigorate yourself by releasing the chaos of the day. Always remember the power of white noise to instill a sense of calm when you need it the most.